Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know I'm Side Hustle Keisha. I do videos and tips on ways you can make money from home, amazing job opportunities from home, and cool side hustles that you can do from home. So everything on this channel is about opportunities to make money, whether it's a full-time, part-time, or a side hustle. And the side hustle that could possibly turn into a new business venture for you. So let me just say, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification button so every time I upload a video, you're in the know. Most importantly, I want to make sure that you drop down to the description box and you always check out my #1 way of making money from home and my cool opportunity that you can do from the comfort of your home. It's a business opportunity that you can do from the comfort of your home, and it's a free opportunity. So you can join for free, make money, and you don't have to invest anything. All you have to do is spend a little time. So make sure you drop below in the description box and you look at my #1 way of making money from home and my free business that you can start from home. Okay, let's jump right into this opportunity. You guys know I've talked about this amazing company in the past before. Of course, it's Cigna. Cigna is an insurance plan and products company. You can buy your own coverage or you are getting coverage through your employer. So that's what Cigna is. They offer health insurance for individuals and families, dental insurance plans, Medicare and Vantage and Part D plans. They also offer Medicare supplement insurance, other supplement insurance, and international health insurance. So you know Cigna, you've heard of them. They're known all over for their insurance. Okay, so let's jump into this cool opportunity that I found that's a work from home opportunity for Cigna. So if you go over to the careers page, and it'll be below in the description box, so you can click on the link below in my description box. You go over to this opportunity and I put in work from home jobs, and when I put in work from home jobs, several opportunities came up. Of course, customer service and claims had 15 different opportunities, but when you put in work from home, you get over 300 listings for work from home opportunities. Okay, so when I put in customer service and claims, we get several opportunities to work from home, and their work from home. If you scroll through the opportunities, you'll see there's work from home USA, and then they break down different states that are offering work from home opportunities. So we're going to click on customer service advocates. Okay, customer service advocates for Cigna. It's virtual, and let's check it out. Okay, so this virtual Texas United States of America, so this is for the USA, customer service and claims. Do you like helping others? Always listen first and respond with empathy. Own the customer experience. Be part of something greater than yourself. Are you ready for a role that utilizes your caring nature and quick thinking skills to help people? How about a role that makes you feel like you are making an impact every single day? Help clients, customers, and healthcare providers understand your business a little better. Topics like determination of payments and claims related to medical and dental procedures and office and hospital visit cost are common questions. Make it easy for customers to work with us. Take ownership of their issues and do your best to resolve them over the phone the first time, every time, right? Be an advocate for health and wellness. Educate customers on disease management programs and make recommendations on the right healthy living programs for their needs. What you should have: must be willing to work a designated shift between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. High school diploma or equivalent required. Associate's or bachelor's degree preferred. 1+ years of customer service experience analyzing and solving customer problems required. Intermediate proficiency in Microsoft Office Suite. High-level capacity to multitask independently and on a computer. Knowledge of medical terminology, a plus. Excellent written and oral communication skills, exceptional organizational and time management focus. About Cigna. Cigna Corporation is a global health service company dedicated to improving the health, well-being, and peace of mind of those we serve. We offer an integrated suite of health services through Cigna, Express Scripts, and our affiliates, including medical, dental, behavioral health, pharmacy, vision, supplemental benefits, and other related products. Together with our 74,000 employees worldwide, we aspire to transform health services, making them more affordable and accessible to millions. Throughout our unmatched expertise, bold action, fresh ideas, and unwavering commitment to patient-centered care, we are a force of health services innovation. When you work with Cigna, you'll enjoy meaningful career experiences that enrich people's lives while working together to make the world a healthier place. What a difference will you make? To see our culture in action, search Team Cigna on Instagram. So let's get into this job, you guys. Here are the breakdown of what they're looking for. Again, this position is for customer service advocates at Cigna. It's virtual, it's United States, and customer service and claims. So you would go here to apply. It sounds like a great opportunity. And if you guys go ahead and apply for this job, I want you to drop a comment below in the description box or below in the comments and let us know how your interview went. Most importantly, make sure you're following me on all social media handles. You know I'm on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and of course on YouTube. Make sure you click the notification button so that every time I upload a video, you're in the know. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hope you have a wonderful day. And remember, here on Cigna, there's over 300 work from home job opportunities. Check out Cigna.com, and below in the description box will be the link to the direct position that we discussed in this video. Make sure you check out my #1 work from home opportunity. Make sure you also check out my #1 opportunity to make money from home, my home-based business in a box. Is a free opportunity where you can make money from home. I'll see you guys in my next video.